Okay. We're gonna see what happens to a Fushigi ball when we throw it up in the air on this crappy ground. Yeah. Oh! What just happened? I bet you nothing happened because this thing is like indestructible apparently. Oh! Dude! You guys see that? Oh my gosh. Alright. Take two. Oh! It broke into 3 different pieces. 1. Wow. Oh my gosh. 2. Dude. Oh. Is that really what's inside it? There's nothing inside. Oh my gosh. That's... Oh! And that is what is inside a Fushigi ball. Just a crappy looking sphere. Alright. I'm gonna try and take this spear out. Come on. Alright, hold on. Gotta drop a couple pieces. Oh, jeez. Okay. I don't know, I just broke a Fushigi ball. My Mushigi, yeah, my Mushigi. Oh man, that is so awesome. So, if you ever wanted to know what's inside a Fushigi ball, just throw it up in the air in a crappy road, and you know what's inside. See you next time.